best of the word wizards are here with us today from different schools in different parts of Karnataka. I am your B Master, Mike Murli, and I am totally excited leading you all into this grand finale. The students are ready. I hope you're all ready to watch this fascinating grand finale of the Karnataka SpellBee Championship, ladies and gentlemen. Put your hands together for all the students as we kickstart this grand finale. It promises to be quite a cracker of a contest. I can't wait to get the action started. We've got some special people with us to make this episode even more grand. And to invite them in no particular order, it's my honor to call upon our chief guests, our guests of honor for this coveted grand finale, ladies and gentlemen. We take great pride in inviting them in no particular order. Our first special guest for the evening is Miss Vani Kumari Gowda. Please put your hands together for her. She is the CFO of VBest Educare and has facilitated this entire episode of Karnataka SpellBee Season 2. She runs as a part of the team Rakshana. She's been covertly running to try and make sure that children from all forms of society do not face neglect and abuse. They, in fact, recently created a Guinness World Record in the social service category towards making children's voices heard globally as well. Congratulations, Vani Kumari, and great to have you here as a part of this grand finale. A Guinness World Record fighting for children abuse and rights is quite awesome. There's this personality who adds a completely new dimension to our SpellBee Championship. Great to have you here. Our next guest for the evening is Dr. Kundan Basavaraj. He's a professor in commerce from Sayadri College, Shimoga. He's a master's in commerce, MS in psychology, and also holds a PhD in management studies. He has 22 years of teaching experience, and most importantly, he's got a state and a national award in the field of teaching and excellence in the field of education. Please put your hands together for Dr. Kundan Basavaraj. It's an honor having you here, Dr. Kundan. Huge round of applause. A renowned educationalist, somebody who's drilled deep in the field of education for over 2 decades. It's a great honor having you here with us, Dr. Kundan. Welcome to the grand finals. Please be seated. Our third dignitary for today is somebody who adds even more prestige to this awesome evening, is Mr. Ashok Gowda. Mr. Ashok Gowda is the chairman and board of trustees and chief architect of the KME Trust. An architect by profession, Ashok is an alumnus of the RV College of Engineering in Bangalore and CEPT in Ahmedabad. He's also the founder and promoter of the Edify School. He's got over 10 years of experience and a visiting faculty at many colleges in Bangalore. Thank you so much for joining us for this grand finale. I hope you have a great time. Thank you so much for felicitating us with your presence. We move on to our next guest, Mr. Vijay Nishant. Mr. Vijay Nishant is an urban conservationist. He is famous by the name The Tree Doctor, and he is also a tree committee member of Karnataka. He played a major role in getting a stay on the controversial steel bridge project in Namma Bengaluru. It was a talk of the town, and many have struggled to try and stop that project, and he was leading the activation to try and make sure that our trees are preserved. It's an honor to have an activist, a social activist amongst our midst. Mr. Vijay Nishant, pleasure having you here. Thank you so much. The Tree Doctor, as we call him, welcome to our show. Any good thing, before it begins, it's our duty to pray to the Almighty, saying, bless the kids with all the luck, and may the best person be crowned the winner and the champion. We're going to start off with lighting of the lamp. May I please ask our guests to join us for the lamp lighting ceremony, please. Good. So we have an action-packed episode lined up. Our finalists are ready. We've got 3 finalists in each of the categories. Having said that, we've got 3 winners who've qualified for this finale, and in each of these categories, we move on with round 1, which is going to be a rapid fire. As they take stage, you'll see a 60-second timer that will start behind them. And as the timer goes, they're allowed to answer as many words as possible during that 60 seconds. Remember, a wrong word gets you a wrong word. No negative points. You're allowed to pass 2 times. But you're not allowed to, there's no negative points. So you can answer as many. You've got 60 seconds, and let's see who makes it count the best. The students are ready. The word master is ready. Let the grand finale begin, everybody. May I please call upon our first contestant in category 1, please.
My name is Utsav. I am studying in PES Public School, first standard, Shumoda.
Utsav, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Tell me, how many words do you know?
Sir, all.
All right, Utsav, you're ready with your first word. Your timer is ready?
Sir.
Okay. Your first word is pleasure.
Pleasure.
You got it right. Disappear.
DISCAPPER.
That's wrong. DISAPPEAR. Garage.
GARRAG.
That's wrong. February.
FEBRUARY.
That's right. Command.
COMMAND.
That's right. Hollow.
HOLLOW.
That's right. Excellent.
EHCELLENT.
That's right. Whisper.
WHISPER.
That's right. Access.
EHCESS.
That's wrong. Individual.
Sir, can you repeat?
Individual.
INDIVUSAL.
That's wrong. Feather.
FEATHER.
That's right. And that completes your 1 minute. Really well done. Stay there. Really well done. You were fast. You were in a verge to try and go for the maximum. I loved your spirit. I loved your energy. You've got 7 right answers today. Please put your hands together for Utsav, who's got 7 right.